Okay, welcome to Business Statistics. I am on the home page and I want to give you a module tour of Chapter 2. So if you scroll down, there's the orientation module, and then important course information module, and then Chapter 1. And we will go to Chapter 2. And in this module, you have the PowerPoint, and then you have the PowerPoint lecture, which is basically the PowerPoint. If you download it, you will hear me giving a lecture as if you were in class and we were looking at the slides and I was talking to you in the classroom. So this is what I would cover if we were in a face-to-face class. Then if you look on down, you have what I call Chapter 2 StatCrunch videos. And these are several videos of how to use this tool StatCrunch, which we will use a lot in your MyLab to save time. So here are some videos of some shortcuts of what StatCrunch will do for you, and you will need to be able to calculate these things. So this will show you how to do it using StatCrunch. Also, StatCrunch has its own YouTube channel, so you can go to the YouTube channel and find all kinds of videos of how to use StatCrunch. Also, there are other videos that are my personal videos or videos that I found that will help you. For example, I found a good video on how to calculate variance and standard deviation. What is a frequency polygon? And then you have videos of me actually working the homework problems. This is what I would do if I was in class. I would work sample problems for you. So if you want to find a particular section that you're struggling with, you can click on that section and watch me work some problems. And then down here at the bottom, I do have another video that I found of how to calculate class size. So these videos will really help you to work your homework and to understand important concepts. Then I also have Chapter 2 Practice. This is worth 45 points, and it is not graded for accuracy. It is graded to make sure that you do it and you use it as a review for your test. So just make sure you complete it, and I will manually go in and give you full credit. And then you also have a discussion board of when should you use mean and when should you use median. And if you look in the calendar, this will not be due the first week that we start on Chapter 2. It will actually open up the second week. So this is a discussion board that you will be doing later. So each chapter has a PowerPoint, lecture, and video resources. So just make sure that you use everything in the module to help you prepare for Chapter 2.